A+ MIDI Guitar, the first and only true MIDI guitar controller on the iPhone, iPod Touch, and iPad. Today I'm going to show you a couple of digital audio workstations that work with this app. Okay, but before that you have to run the server in the background, and it's called DS MIDI Wi-Fi server. So you can get that on the internet for free. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you is a trial version of Contact by Native Instruments. Okay, this is their trial version. It only comes with a few instrument samples, a distorted guitar and a jazz guitar. So to set up this to work with the iPhone, first you gotta set up the MIDI input. Okay, so go to Preference and then go to MIDI down here. You can see it right here. So click on this and then make sure you choose this. Okay, and here use any port, but I use port A. Okay, so use port A and it's on now, so it's using this server now. Okay, so once you're done with that, you can close that and then add an instrument into your rack here. Okay, so I'm gonna check out the jazz guitar. Just double click on that, and here it is, the jazz guitar. You can control a lot of stuff here. You can set whether you want solo mode, which will mute other strings while you're playing one string. Okay, and you can choose the tone, the noise level, and the type of pickup you want to use, either more on the bass or mid-range or the treble section. Okay, you can also turn on the wah-wah effect, distortion, overdrive, reverb, and other stuff too. Okay, so make sure you select as the MIDI channel, select Omni, which means all channels. Okay, if you select only channel 1, it's only going to pick up one string, because string 1 is channel 1 on this app here. They're all on separate channels, so make sure you pick Omni, so this will detect all the strings at once. Okay, and let's see how it sounds. See, if you change the pickup, it's going to change some of the sound. Okay, so each pickup has a different sound. They focus on different areas. And if you turn on the wah-wah, then you get this. See, I'm playing everything on my guitar here, so you can't really see it. Okay, then you can turn that off and try overdrive it. Okay, you can add another instrument if you want. A distortion guitar. You got 2 of them. And I guess you can set them both to Omni and control both at the same time. It's going to be a lot of noise, so get rid of one guitar. Now I got the rock guitar here. Again, you can mess with all the controls here to get different sound. Very noisy. Alright, so this is a Contact player from Inspire Instruments, and that's how you use it. And of course you can try all the other sounds, piano, flute, whatever, right? So let me close this and show you another one. Okay, another one that is free you can get from the internet is Moo Tools from Moo Lab. Right here, can you see it? Moo Lab. Click on that, and is this one here, Moo Lab. It's the free version. Okay, so to set this up, first of all, start a new session. Go File, go into File, and then start a new session. And don't save this session here. Just close it. Okay, and then here you're gonna go to Edit, and then you're gonna set up the MIDI setup. Okay, so make sure you go MIDI setup, and then again here choose this DS MIDI Wi-Fi, okay, as your MIDI input, and this one doesn't matter. Click on that, and sometimes you have to set up your audio setup too. Okay, on my Mac here it was set up to use the built-in output, and that's fine, and it works well. Okay, on Windows you gotta do some other stuff. You gotta first choose the type of driver. That's the MME driver, and then you're gonna choose your system's sound card. Okay, and once you've done that, you gotta choose an instrument. You got some racks here. Rack 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 racks in the free version. And here you click here, and this is where you choose an instrument. You gotta go to the synths, Moo Tools, click on the ROMs, and there are some user-made samples you can try out too. They're not that great, but here we are. Keys. Let's try this cafe au lait sound. Okay, so again you can control a bunch of stuff here. You can change the pitch, effects, some filters, amplifiers, all that great stuff. And let's hear it. You can try out all their sounds here by clicking this arrow button to go to the next one. Next one. Harp. Harpsichord. Yeah, piano bar. And some instruments have settings, some instruments don't. This is, what is this? Another instrument. These are all synths. Alright, so you can check out all the instruments they have. It's got tons here. This is just the free version, so the paid version should have a lot more, a few hundred. Okay, so you got all your bass, keys, lead, organs. Now we can try a church organ if you want. Alright, this is another free version. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this off now. Don't save it. And of course, GarageBand, that comes with every Mac. You can use that, and this is the simplest. You don't have to set up anything. As long as you have that little server running in the background, it's fine. Okay, just need this, and then everything is set up for you right away. So choose an instrument. You can even choose a drum kit. Okay, some more here, a sax. and it should work with any system you have, like Reason or Ableton. Okay, so here it is, A+ MIDI guitar, the first and only true MIDI guitar for your iPhone, iPod Touch, and iPad. It's quite amazing because you got a MIDI controller on your phone for a very, very reasonable price. If you get a MIDI guitar, a hardware MIDI guitar, it'll cost you, somewhere $1,000 to $2,000. So this is awesome. Thanks for watching. Please support this program and tell your friends about it. See you next time. Bye.